How to fix Instagram account sharing feature not showing. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Instagram account sharing feature not showing on your Instagram. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram here, and once you are here, you have to navigate to your profile icon which is on the bottom. So just go and open up your profile here. Once you have opened up your profile, so now you can see that I am on my profile here and tapping on the edit profile option. Once you have tapped on the edit profile option, you can see the sharing feature not showing here. So if you can't see the sharing feature not showing here, so now let's see how you can fix Instagram account sharing feature not showing problem. So you have to go back, and so the first solution is you have to update the Instagram app. Just go to your Play Store here, and on the Play Store or Apple Store, search for the Instagram. Once you have searched for the Instagram, if there is any update available here, you have to download the latest version of your app here, and after that you have to go back and open up your application, and you have to check the issues has been solved or not. So the second solution is that you can log out from your Instagram account here, and you can log back in. You have to tap on the three line which is on the top right and go for your log out option here, and you have to simply log out your account and simply log back in here. So you will fix that your Instagram account not sharing feature here. Then you have to go to your profile and tap on your profile, and you have to go for the edit profile and check for the issues has been solved or not. So the third solution is that you have to simply currently uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it from your Play Store or Apple Store, and you have to check the issues and the issues has been solved or not. So the final solution is that you have to go and open up your Instagram here, and on the top right there is a hamburger menu setting. Just click on that, and here you have to scroll down and go for the help. Once you are on your help, here you have to just report a problem and tap on the report a problem. So once you have tap on the report a problem, you will get this interface here, and go for the include and continue. And here you have to carefully describe that the Instagram account feature option not showing in your profile, and you can upload a screenshot here, and then you can submit this report. So I hope that your Instagram issues will be fixed by following this step. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Instagram account not sharing feature or not showing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.